Step over here. Step! PSI levels are low. Please administer oxygen IV. All right, I'm going to make an incision right here. He's crashed. Hit him with the paddles. Clear. Okay, I need to insert this post and get him on the table.
Dr. Scholes, report to podiatry. Dr. Scholes to podiatry.
Put a little grease on each pedal before inserting them into the crank arms. The left-hand pedal is always tightened counterclockwise.
Dr. Zhivago to the ICU. Dr. Zhivago to the ICU.
Never inflate the tube to its maximum pressure until you're sure it's been seated correctly on the rim.
Dr. Pepper to the cafeteria. Dr. Pepper to the cafeteria, please. Dr. McCoy to the gym. Dr. McCoy to gym.
It's very important to get the coaster brake strap tightened down securely.
Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil to the Hair Restoration Center. Dr. Phil to the Hair Restoration Center. Dr. Valentine to cardiology. Dr. Valentine to cardiology. Dr. Seuss, you have a moose on the loose. Dr. Seuss, you have a moose on the loose.
The stem bolts must be greased and tightened down securely. Do not over-tighten as you could strip them.
Dr. No to room 007. Dr. No to room 007. Dr. Ruth, Dr. Strangelove. Dr. Ruth, Dr. Strangelove. You're wanted in sleep therapy.
Check the tension of the chain to see that it's not too tight or too loose.
He's going to be just fine. He got through the assembly process better than most. So. I like to go out and talk to the parents after the assembly to let them know how it went, and it went very well. I guarantee it.